go.
Hi everyone. So this event is called wind blowing. So what you need is a paper plate, and I have 10 plastic cups lining the edge of my table. You need a nice big table, and you're going to spread out your 10 cups right at the edge of the table. Now, wind blowing. Using my paper plate, I'm going to create wind by going up and down. Every cup that falls down, you get 1 point. If you do knock all 10 cups down, you got to go and pick them up. You have 1 minute to knock down and score as many points as you can. So the quicker you blow your plate, the more points you score. All right, so I got 1 minute. Now I have to stay on this side of the table. You can lean over, but I cannot come over here and knock down my cups. So you must stay on the opposite side of the table. All right, 1 minute.
Ready, set, go.
I got 2 points. 3, 4, 5, 6,
30 seconds.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Ten, 9, 8,
11,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right. All right, so I got 14 points. So go back into your Olympic scorecard, record your score, and you have one more chance to try again and beat your score. Enjoy, everyone.